Alright, welcome back to ORESTO'S garage. On this episode, I see if I can rebuild this front end on this Commodore. It's a VY, 6-cylinder, a few SS options on it. Let's have a look at it, right? Alright, so at the moment, it's had a little bingle, so the front radiator support, which is a little bit crinkled in. I've unpicked all this one here. So this one's all unpicked, ready to go. It's got to pull this thing apart now. Everything else is straight. There's no other damage on this car. It's just the radiator support. Little bits and pieces I can straighten out as I go. Stay tuned. Alright, so update is I've got all this radiator support nicely in. I've had the panels on, and now I'm going to tack weld all this in, spot weld, whatever you want to call it. I lined all the panels up, it was perfect, so got the go ahead to weld it, so I'm going to weld it. I'll get back to you when I'm finished welding. Black base coat down. See how she turns out. Alright, so update on this VY. So just going through getting everything straight on this car. So yeah, just went around that again. The fuel, a few spots I just retouched there. Roof is coming along alright. So I did really get some badass runs. So yeah, so I'm actually sanding this bonnet back because they gave me the wrong paint colour. I want Delft blue, they gave me Delft blue pearl. So it's going through there. I actually tested that colour down there. Once it sands it looks fine, but yeah. So this is the car with all the damage to it, which is all good to go now. But I had a problem with my high build not drying properly. That's nearly 5 days now where that it still hasn't, so I'm going to take that ball back to bare metal again. So yeah, so that's just the update on the VY. I'm just doing it here under the carport at the moment before it goes into the spray booth to get the final paint job. So here's the finished result of this VY. So still got some more buffing to do around the edges, but I take my time doing those. So pretty nice paint job all over. So just a bit of polish up here still. The car needs to be detailed, but it's a bit of a mess because we had big storms up here recently. So yeah, whole front end's on, lines up really well. That's on both sides. So I can't complain about any of that. Alright guys, that'll do it for this one. It's Christmas, so I just want to spend some more time with the family. What else? Special thanks to all my subscribers, you're all legends. If you like the video, the content, please consider liking, subscribing, share it with your mates. Got a lot more builds coming. I've got a HK Monaro wagon coming. The 1st of January I got a HQ 1-ton cab and front clip coming. Got a BT50 I got to do. I got a lot more cars I got to get through this year. This car's not mine, it's someone else's. They've asked me to do this for them, so I did. Probably give you a walkthrough on some other cars I got going on as well. Yeah, alright,